Here's a quick review of reflections and the coordinate rules when you're doing a reflection. Most of the time we flip figures over a line, and most of the time we use the X or the Y axis as the place that we're flipping our figure over. The X axis and the Y axis act like a mirror. If you're flipping a figure over the x-axis, the x stays the same and the y becomes the opposite of whatever it was. If you're flipping a figure over the y-axis, the x becomes the opposite and the y stays the same. So if you look down here at my examples, here's our x-axis. This was our original point. Notice 1 stayed 1, 4 stayed 4, 1 stayed 1. The x's stayed the same. X-axis, x stays the same. Y is the opposite. Here we had a 3, -3, 1, -1, 1, -1. Remember, when you're making it the opposite, if any of these numbers were negative, they would become positive, but these were all positive, so they became negative. The y-axis, we're following this rule. All of our x values became the opposite. Here they were all positive, here they're all negative. And our y values stayed the same. So what you're going to do is you're going to graph each of these figures. Number one, we have a triangle. You're going to graph it. And then you are going to reflect it over the x-axis. You can do it on here and then write your ordered pairs, or you can do it using the rule and then graph it using your ordered pairs. You can do one and then check it with the other methods. If you do it with the picture first, then do it mathematically and then make sure they match. You can do the rectangle, you can do the triangle again, you can do the trapezoid, you're going to flip it to the back and do those. Good luck, and you're going to hand this in. You're not going to hand this in. You're going to keep this in your folder until I return, and then we will check it.